Hi friends, it's Miss Andrews. For this activity, you are going to create sentences describing animals on a farm. Our story starts by saying, "What do you see on the farm?" You are going to work through the slides to create your own sentences. It says, "I see." You're going to look at the picture and you can think or you can tell, what do you see in the picture? I know I see sheep. How many sheep do I see? Let me count. 1, 2. I see, and I'm going to take the number 2 because I see 2 sheep, and I'm going to move it onto my sentence. I see 2. Did I say I see sheep, or did I say I see elephants? Oh, I know, I see sheep. So I'm going to take the picture of the sheep and move it down. Then I'm going to read my sentence all over again. I see 2 sheep. This described my first picture of my sheep on the farm. You are going to finish doing this for all of your farm animals. You do not have to, but if you would like an extra challenge today, you can practice writing these sentences on a piece of paper. You can practice typing these sentences out, or you can even take chalk and practice writing these sentences outside. I hope you have a lot of fun doing your work today, and I'm excited to see all your sentences. Good luck, friends. Bye.